Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of mockup design and showcasing some of the most creative mockups we have ever came across. Forget boring product shots on plain backgrounds. Designers nowadays are pushing boundaries with some unique mockup designs. So, let's have a look at them. Interactive 3D mockups. Imagine a phone mockup where you can actually rotate the device and see it from all the angles. Mind blowing, isn't it? You can create these type of mockups using this amazing website called preview.app. Realistic scene mockups. They include the products that are seamlessly integrated into everyday life. Think a coffee cup steaming on a kitchen table, a laptop open on a desk with scattered papers, or a t-shirt worn by a realistically rendered person. Animated mockups. Bring your designs to life with subtle animations, a flickering screen, a gently swaying plant, or even a character interacting with the product. Unique material mockups. Showcase the texture and feel of your designs with mockups featuring materials like wood, metal, fabric, and even leather. These creative mockups not only make your designs look more appealing, but they also help clients better visualize and understand your work. There are different websites that allows you to download these unique mockups. They are available for free, or you can even purchase them on platforms like Behance, Dribble, and Creative Market. So that's it for today. I hope this video inspired you to think outside the box with your own mockup creations. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more such design inspiration. Thanks for watching.